Now, the latest piece of information we have is that the Mumbai police has responded to the WhatsApp messages that have been made public by Sushant's family, and they've put out a note to say that the family was asked to file a written complaint, saying that you can't just file an informal complaint. If you want action, you need to file a written complaint, and this had been clearly communicated to the family. Sahil Joshi joins us. He's our Mumbai bureau chief leading our coverage on this story. Divyesh Singh is one of our top reporters in Mumbai. Sahil, to you first. Explain, you've got the family leveling this charge that they informed the Mumbai police in February that Sushant's life was apparently in danger. Now you're hearing from the Mumbai police, which apparently wanted a formal complaint. What happened then? What happened after that?
Rahul, you rightly said. I mean, any complaint can only be entertained if it is given in a written format to the police. Only then the police can go further and take some kind of an action. But in this form, it was an informal WhatsApp message to a local DCP, that is a DCP from Bandra. The DCP duly called back and informed them that you should be writing an official complaint. Only then police can act. Police cannot just act informally and call Riya Chakrabarti and ask her to stay away from Sushant Singh Rajput. Whereas both of them are grown up and they are in the relationship. So they should be making an official complaint if they have any kind of a fear. Then the police can launch an investigation, which according to Mumbai police never happened. There was no official complaint or a written complaint ever given to Mumbai police. That's what the Mumbai police is saying at this point of time. They also said that when asked after the incidents to the Sushant's family that if they still have to make any kind of a complaint, the family refused to do any of that sort. The first statements given to Mumbai police does not mention any of the things which has been mentioned now in the complaint.
So Divyesh Singh, that brings me to the question, what's the Mumbai police's investigation now saying? Because they were going all guns blazing, calling in one Bollywood biggie and after initially, and then ever since the family leveled the charge against Riya Mukherjee, Riya Chakrabarti, we've seen the Mumbai police's investigation flounder. Where is it going? What have they found so far?
Rahul, Mumbai police was investigating after the ADR was registered, and there had been several allegations. There have been several theories on what led Sushant Singh Rajput to take this extreme step of ending his life, and that is what was being probed: professional angle, business angle, and also if he was into any monetary distress, that was also being probed. And that is why the chartered accountant was also questioned. His statement was recorded. Each and every person who had worked with Sushant Singh Rajput in professional capacity, they were questioned. The angle of professional rivalry was being probed earlier, because the family, as Sahil pointed out, had not made any official complaint or had not even made any allegations that any person was responsible or any particular person drove Sushant Singh Rajput to take this extreme step of ending his life on 14th of June. Though Riya Chakrabarti's statement was recorded twice, his bank statements were analyzed, Sushant's bank statements were analyzed, his chartered accountants were spoken to, and also his lawyer, people who had worked with, several other filmmakers whom he had spoken to or was about to work with them, like Rumi Jaffrey. He was to sign a film after the lockdown got over. He was to sign a film with Rumi Jaffrey. He was also called in and he was also questioned.
Okay, Divyesh Singh and Sahil Joshi, thank you very much for joining us with those updates. This case is getting murky, and unlike many of the other networks who already decided which side of the story they're on, that's not how we do our reportage on India Today.